Hi everybody, it's Tammy Cali style coming back at you for another video. Yes, y'all. How you guys doing? I missed you. Yes, I'm here for another hour break here for my lunch. So come eat with me, you guys. Come eat with me. Today I am doing, I don't know if you guys have it in your states, but out here we have something called El Pollo Loco. I think that'll do it. And for my drink, you guys, I got fruit punch. And today I just got something, not too much. I wasn't too hungry today. But I got it's nachos. So Pollo Loco is like a little Mexican restaurant. They have burritos. They have chicken dinners. It's like grilled chicken. But I got nachos, y'all. You see right there, chicken nachos. Right, they give me the sauces on the side to put on the guacamole and salsa. So let me go ahead and start putting that on there. Let me back my seat up. Put this lid. I got this with extra cheese. Let's take it off so you can see that there. Y'all see it? And that chicken is like the authentic, like grilled chicken from the grill and everything, y'all. It's usually really, really good. I haven't been here in a while. So we will see. Let's put on my tomato sauce stuff on there. I thought I told them I want guacamole too. People don't be listening. Okay. They gave me the creamy cilantro, but I usually like this in salads. You know, I thought it was going to be like guacamole or something. But anyways, hopefully this is good without it. Alright. So there we go, y'all. Alright, so that's my nachos. I don't even see the chips on here. So let's see. Let's get to it. It looks packed, y'all. And it's a nacho sauce. Not like, you know, grated cheese or anything like that. Oh, I see the guacamole is actually on there. I gotta be careful, y'all, because I got on a white dress. There's the spice. Another hot day, y'all. It's kind of bright, huh? I hope it's not too bright for you guys. It is 93 degrees right now, y'all. 93. Nachos. I just hate when you tell them extra and they don't put extra, and you pay for the extra. That's good though, y'all. So how have y'all been? I've been good, y'all, working. Staying busy. Thanks to all y'all again. Take this air off of that. For all my lovely subscribers, to all the new subscribers, all the old ones, I love you. I appreciate you. You guys rock. You guys rock and roll. Okay? Because without you, I wouldn't have been able to get, I'm right now I'm headed towards 500 subscribers, y'all. Like, yeah. Have a bite. Mmm. 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 I'm good. This is pretty good. It's packed. I'm gonna try it with this. Just a little bit on one chip. Because I do like the cream of cilantro. It's really good. But I usually like it, you know, on different stuff. Let's try it. Put a little drizzle on it. Okay. That's not bad. I'll put a little on there. A little drizzle. Okay. So yeah, y'all. Hope you guys been doing okay. Alright. Because I think I'm gonna do something special. Or you guys comment below and tell me. Hold on, after this bite. Boom. They chop up the chicken, y'all. Alright. You guys to comment below. Tell me if you think I should do something big. I do have a big story that I've been saving for when I reach my 1,000 subscribers. Or should I do something big when I reach my 500? Or, like, you guys tell me, what do you think? To celebrate. What milestone? 500, 1,000. 700. What do you guys think? Because I'll do it. Oh, this is so good. Mmm. I am excited, y'all. It'll come with sour cream too, I see now. I see a lot of people doing it at different places. I see people doing it 500, 1,000. I saw one girl who did her 1,000. She ate a whole alligator. I was like, I don't know about that. Maybe a whole lobster. a whole something, but I don't know about a whole alligator, y'all. I've never had alligator anyway. But maybe when I get to my 1,000, I'll do my first seafood boil with my crab legs, lobsters, comment below if you want to see me do that. Corn, whole shebang, sausage. I'm eating these nachos. Look at y'all, I'm putting a dent in it. Yeah, I'm willing to do that. I think that'd be fun. A good way to bring in 1,000. Yeah. These nachos are pretty good, y'all. I have the chicken chopped up on there. They even have beans on it, y'all. Yeah, I think that'll be exciting. I did not think that I would be approaching it. Oops. This fast, y'all. Thank you, Jesus. Like everybody's been saying. It's a lot of hard work. You gotta keep pressing them. So this place, y'all, is called El Pollo Loco. And in Spanish, that is what? The crazy chicken? Or the chicken is crazy? But it's really good. They sell burritos, really good burritos. I was actually gonna get a burrito, but then I saw they had chicken nachos. I was like, ooh. Burritos quesadillas, nachos, tacos, like the street tacos. And then they have pollo dinners, which are the chicken dinners. You can get 2-piece, 3-piece, I think up to like a 4-piece. It comes with your choice of size. You can get rice, pinto beans, or black beans, or you can get corn, you can get mac and cheese. It's kind of like, you know, KFC in that attribute, where you can get those kind of size. Ooh, something I ate was spicy. You know, my family have their get-togethers. We used to get the family pack here, which was like, I think you get like 100 pieces of chicken. And chop it all up. You can get the rice, the beans. It's a good amount. And it feeds a good amount of people. El Pollo, there's another chicken place out here that's called El Pollo, or Juan Pollo. That one's good too. So these places are good when you're celebrating for a large amount of people and you want something kind of healthy. It's just grilled chicken. You know, it's not like you got a whole 100 pieces of fried chicken, you know. Oh, they also have, they could be kind of like Chipotle. They also have bowls. Like rice bowls, chicken bowls. There you go, look at me, I'm putting a dent in there. So yeah, they have all that, like you would see at Chipotle, and then the KFC, the sides. If you were to get the chicken dinners. So check it out, y'all. Look at that. Juan Pollo. Oh, wait. El Pollo Loco. Lie. Alright, look at that. I was watching while I'm on YouTube, y'all. That tastes so spicy. While I'm on YouTube, I like to watch Netflix too. I like multitask at the same time. Getting all my messages out. Watching it. Last night I watched a new show on there on Netflix. It's called, I think it's Teplitz, with the Wayans brother in it. He actually played all 6 people. I thought it was hilarious, though. Tell me, comment below, y'all, if y'all have seen it and if you like it. He even played the woman who in it, which was his mother and his sister. Yeah. It was pretty good. If you haven't went to Netflix to see it, go see it because it's pretty good. They got a lot of new stuff out now. Like that other one with it's about the Mother's Day adoration. That's not what it's called. I haven't seen that yet, but it looks good. And the people who are playing it look good. Angela Bassett's in it. And I forget their other names. Yo. Bam. That was pretty good. Anyway, try to go on Netflix and watch those. Sex Teplitz, I watched it last night. It was pretty good. I was cracking up at some parts. And y'all, I'm upset. I've been trying to try that darn Popeye's chicken sandwich. And every time I go, they're out. And they don't have any more. Lines be wrapped around. You know. Put this up. So, hopefully that'll be coming soon. I want to try it because it looks delicious. Okay. I was already able to try the Impossible Whopper. That was good. But I can't get my hands on that Popeye's chicken sandwich, y'all. What's the dealio? That thing just went viral off of one tweet, they say. So, for all you guys who got a chance to try it, good for you. I'm still trying to get it. I just went today. I went right now. I wasn't planning on going to El Pollo Loco. Because I thought, you know, when I went there to the chicken's house, she was like, oh yeah, we're going to have more tomorrow. I was like, okay, well, they still got that sign that they're out. I'm like, okay. And I'm not about to be driving all over Tarnation for a chicken sandwich, okay? I will make me one. Like, yeah, Miriam. I think it's, what's her name, Miriam? She made her Popeye's chicken sandwiches. It's so good with Miriam, and they look just like them too. And they look like they was delicious. So, anyways, y'all, I'm not gonna hold you, but I thank you for coming to eat with me. Okay, so it's Tammy Tam, Cali Style. I'm signing out, you guys. Till next time, I wish you love, happiness, and peace. Okay, and I love you all. Remember, I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. All right, you guys. Till next time, I love you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.